GDI.
We can.
GDI.
We can.
We can.
In God we trust.
We can.
In God we trust.
Well, today, being the 12th day of January 2024, is in this our leaders meeting, GDI Fubara leaders meeting, it has been resolved and agreed, thus, a vote of confidence has been passed on Sir Fubara, the governor of Rivers State. The leadership of Fubara, or the members of Port Harcourt, has seen his capability variables, his workings, and he has performed marvelously well. To that extent, the GDI Fubara, heavily led by Kinikawan Amadi, Honorable, and our national officer, Charles Olo, as well as the secretary, the new secretary, Honorable Sydney Ogodo, and everyone in Fubara has resolved that Fubara is the man, and as such, we are passing a vote of confidence on him. And GDI Fubara will stand by him. We work tirelessly for him. We went around the 23 local government for him, and we succeeded in making him the governor by winning the election. And we cannot let him down now. We will not leave him behind. We want to work with him, and will continue to be with him. Irrespective of all the distractions, GDI Fubara is solidly behind Sir Fubara. GDI Fubara has seen his capability variables and will not go back. We'll work with him, we'll be with him till his 8 years, because he's a good man. And when the righteous rules, the people rejoice. So I want to say that within this period under review, sincerely speaking, Fubara GDI has not benefited much from the previous government, but we don't want to go into that. We know what we went through from the date we went to Gracious Hotel in Abuja, where a lot of promises were made, up until date. But we don't want to go to that area. What I want to tell you is this: the leadership of Fubara GDI is strongly, solidly, unshakably behind our amiable governor, Sir Similalai.
GDI! We can! In God we trust. GDI! We can! GDI! We can! In God we trust.
GDI.
GDI.
We can!
We can.
In God we trust.
My name is Charles Olo, Mr. I like that name, Mr. We started our struggle for our former governor a long time ago. And as a family, I still see all of us together. We moved on to work with our new governor, which is simple in age, simple in maturity, and better understanding for the youth. We supported him. We moved around the local government till today. We made him the governor by our own individual votes. He's the first governor that has won 23 over 23 in all the AGS. I don't see why we will not continue to support him. And I'm very proud of the GDI family in Fubara for that total loyalty to Sir Fubara, and will continue to support him till he's done as a governor of Rivers State. GDI,
we can.
GDI, we can.
In God we trust.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.